Hello, my name is Jangga Asmara Santo and my NPM number is 001.
My name is Diva Rini, NPM 004.
Hello, my name is Dhini Purwaningtyas, NPM 22045010009.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Savana Putri. My NPM is 22045010011.
Hello, my name is Valencia Ratu Gwanarta. My student ID number is 014 and I'm from group 3.
On this occasion, our group will review a folklore story from Central Java entitled Jakatarub. Here is the story. Jakatarub was a young man who lived in a remote village. One day, while he was looking for wood in the forest, he saw 7 angels descending from the sky and bathing in a pond. One of the angels, named Nawangwulan, attracted Jakatarub with her beauty. He fell in love with the angel and without thinking twice, he took one of her clothes and hid it. The angels returned to heaven while Jakatarub returned to the village with different feelings. Sometime later, Jakatarub met a woman named Surti, who resembled Nawangwulan, and they got married.
And eventually they got married. They lived happily and had a daughter. However, Jakatarub's secret was revealed when their daughter found the hidden clothes. She told her mother, and Surti became very angry and felt cheated. She then left Jakatarub and returned to the Kayangan with her child.
From this story, Jakatarub, the moral lesson that can be drawn is that honesty and loyalty are very important things in relationship. Jakatarub lost Surti because he was not honest and loyal to his feeling for Nawangwulan. The loss of Surti and their child was valuable lesson about the importance of truth and honest communication in relationship.
Sekar Langit Waterfall witnessed the legend of Jakatarub and Nawangwulan, so many tourists go there, not only to enjoy the beauty of Sekar Langit Waterfall, but also because the legendary story of Jakatarub and Nawangwulan. The location of this waterfall is in Tlogorejo Village, Grabag Sub-district, Magelang, Central Java. Sekar Langit Waterfall is an amazing tourist destination in Indonesia that you should not miss. We will cover it for you in the form of a review to help you understand how amazing this waterfall is. Sekar Langit Waterfall is an amazing tourist destination that will make you fascinated and amazed by its natural beauty. When you get there, you will feel a great sense of serenity. You will see an extraordinary view, the towering waterfall with the roar of the water that calms the heart and mind.
But not just the beauty that will make your visit a fun, because the price of entrance to the waterfall is very affordable. Ticket admission only 4,000 rupiah. The skyfall of the sky is the perfect place to spend time with family and friends. There is a spacious car park and many facilities are available around the waterfall area, including a restaurant, bathroom, and more. If you are looking for a tourist place that will make you muzzle, then the waterfall sky is the best choice. From the beauty of nature, the challenging path to a calm and peaceful atmosphere, all you can feel here. Feel free to come and enjoy the beauty of the skyworks for the very different affordable ticket price.